Are you facing foundation problems and wondering whether to choose a cheaper repair option? I'm Sterling with Arizona Foundation Solutions. In today's video, we'll explore the critical factors that distinguish quality foundation repairs from budget alternatives. When it comes to your home's foundation, making the right choice can save you thousands in the long run. Let's start by addressing the appeal to cost cutting. Many homeowners are tempted by the prospect of saving money up front. However, choosing cheaper materials and labor can lead to severe consequences. Poor materials and inexperienced contractors can result in subpar repairs that won't stand the test of time. Cracks and settlement issues may reappear, and you'll be back where you started. According to the National Association of Realtors, foundation issues can reduce your home's value by up to 30% if not properly addressed. On the flip side, investing in quality foundation repairs pays off in the long run. Here's why. Quality repairs use durable materials and are performed by experienced professionals, ensuring your foundation remains stable for decades. Studies show that homeowners who opt for quality foundation repairs typically save up to 75% in long-term maintenance costs compared to those who choose cheaper alternatives. A recent job we did in Prescott, Arizona involved a pier installation. To the surprise of our crews, they discovered that the home had previous pier work done as they were excavating. The previous piers had rusted, failed, and put the home back to the original problem. The quality of the product was subpar and required another fix. Over time, this became a heftier repair bill. Your home is likely your most significant investment. Protecting its structural integrity is crucial for maintaining its value. According to a study by Remodeling Magazine, foundation repairs yield a 75% return on investment when it's time to sell your home. This goes hand in hand with getting the repairs done with quality products the first time. By prioritizing quality repairs, you not only safeguard your investment, but also enhance its market value. At Arizona Foundation Solutions, we use the highest quality products available today, including galvanized steel to last for years that come with transferable warranties. We pride ourselves on our products and services and want to make sure your home is given the very best there is. When it comes to foundation repair, quality should always take precedence over cost cutting. Choosing the cheaper route may seem tempting initially, but it can lead to more significant expenses and headaches later on. Invest in quality repairs, protect your home's value, and ensure peace of mind for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on home maintenance. Thank you, and we'll see you again in the next video.